this is our shop, Rods and Finished Furniture. We've been here since 1982. The building was built in 1925. Part of it more, I think they finished building it in 1932, 35. My parents leased the building in 1982. And they did so well making cabinet, furniture, desks, hutches, dressers, chests. It did so well that the person that they were leasing it from decided to sell it to my parents. And they bought the property. And we've been here ever since. We did have some problems with the roofing when we had like tornado-like winds back in, maybe 25 years ago. And Randolph Roofing replaced it because there was no roof on the top. And then we had problems in the warehouse a few years after that too. And I was told that one of your young ladies called and asked if we needed roofing done. So we called Sharp and we asked for an estimate. And he's been an angel ever since. You guys are great. They repaired the window skylights. We have had no problem. Very good service. And now they saved us again by repairing part of our cathedral and working like hard workers, but they saved us once again. And we are very thankful that they have such good hard workers and do quality work like my dad used to do. And I can hear him still working. But thank you very much for all your help and the estimates. I think nobody could top you guys.